another one. We got all different sizes.
Okay.
See these grooves, this flips inside out. These fans sit right in that groove. You know, I got a truck hose clamp, tighten down the screw, and tighten down the outside. Flip that around, we'll do the exact opposite. We'll push it out. Just like a clamp on a hose or something, or one they make fitting for the outside pipe. Clamp, fit, when we turn around, we do it on the inside. These bands, that jack there, bands are specially made where that jack head fits in them.
Okay.
It expands them out. They get about 4,000 to 4,500 psi on these bands, pressing out against the rubber seal. Up or down? You want to slide that hole, leave the board where it's at just a feet. There you go. Get it good square on that plane.
Back there?
Yep.